Hey guys, John here with Vapor Holding Technologies today. We're talking about a coating preparation, coating removal video. Here we're using a handguard for an AR-15, specifically a U.S.A rifle. And what we were wanting to show you was how we were able to remove the existing coating and get the part ready for the new coating that's going to be applied here. And in this case, we're using the Cerakote product. So if you see a part like this, probably, well, specifically if you do coatings, if you see a part come through, you may cringe a bit because obviously this is a very detailed part. Traditional means of sandblasting and trying to prep the part do not work as well as the vapor honing process because you don't have the flushing and rinsing action of the blasting system. So for us, there was no problem at all. This was a fairly quick and easy operation to etch this surface and get it ready for the new coating while removing this existing coating. But again, the amount of detail in a part like this can be very hard to deal with traditional blasting methods, just because, again, you have very focused areas and you don't get the rinsing action that we do. Because you can imagine, if you see in the vapor honing process, during the end process, you can see that it looks like a garden hose. You know, that's the kind of size, 2 to 3 inches of hot spot that you get coming out of the blasting gun. So you get a tremendous amount of surface area coverage with the vapor honing system. That's one of the big key points behind the system, especially to be able to reach all of this detail here to prep this part properly to be able to reapply the coating. And so we're going to be applying a new coating to the part, and the part is etched and ready to go. But if you guys have questions about an application like this, please give the office a call or shoot the email to the sales team. They'll be happy to help you through whatever application you have. And if you like the content, click on the subscribe button, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram for daily and weekly updates. Thanks for watching.